On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2019 Keystone Avalanche 321RS. Your family will enjoy all the space provided in this fifth-wheel travel trailer. Inside, the combined living and kitchen area includes dual opposing slides for more floor space as you work around the kitchen island. The island provides added counter space, a double sink for easy cleanups, plus extra storage cabinets and drawers. This kitchen also features stainless appliances, including an 18 cubic foot refrigerator, residential-size microwave, and a 3-burner range top. You can keep plenty of ingredients and snacks in the large pantry, and there's a curio cabinet next door for additional space. Gathered together with plenty of seating accommodations, there's a freestanding table with chairs next to twin reclining theater-style seats on the slide-out. And along the back wall is a 3-person sleeper sofa with storage cabinets above. The entertainment center has a large TV with a built-in stereo system and cozy fireplace below. Up the steps on the left you will find the bath where you will enjoy a walk-in shower with a large dome for plenty of headroom. The bathroom can be accessed from the hallway or the bedroom. The bedroom has a large king-size sliding bed. Across the front you will find sliding mirror doors housing a wardrobe that has been prepped for a washer/dryer, and a dresser at the foot of the bed for added storage space. This Keystone Avalanche fifth wheel is the perfect RV for entertaining and relaxing. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.